In this video, we will see together le futur antérieur and how to use le futur antérieur to present a fact as accomplished and certain in the future. So, le futur antérieur can be used to present a fact as accomplished and certain in the future. But there is just one thing that you will have to remember. You need to use a time indicator with it. Otherwise, it won't be the same. It won't be as certain. So if you use it with the time indicator, then in that case, it will give the feeling that the fact is accomplished and certain. So let's see some examples now. Dans 2 mois, j'aurai déménagé. Dans 2 mois, j'aurai déménagé. So here you get the verb déménager. Déménager is in that case in the futur antérieur form, first person of the singular. J'aurai déménagé. So by combining this futur antérieur form and this time indicator dans 2 mois, you will give to the person who you talk to the fact that this fact is certain. Of course, it's not accomplished, but I really have the feeling that it will be accomplished without any doubt. Which would not be the case if we would go for the futur simple. Dans 2 mois, je déménagerai. I really have a doubt. I mean, it's the future. We never know what will happen. So if you use the futur simple, dans 2 mois, je déménagerai, then there is always a doubt. But if you use this futur antérieur, then in that case, I really have the feeling that that's it. It's certain. Let's see the second one. Elle aura fini son rapport la semaine prochaine. Elle aura fini son rapport la semaine prochaine. Same situation here. We use the verb finir. Finir, it's in the futur antérieur form, and it's the third person of the singular. Elle aura fini. So by using this futur antérieur here, combined with la semaine prochaine, it gives me the feeling that for sure it will be done next week. Et ça, c'est vraiment important. This is really important because, especially in the professional context, you can use this futur antérieur to reassure people that you can do things on time. So let's have 2 more. Dans 5 minutes, j'aurai terminé ce que je fais. Dans 5 minutes, j'aurai terminé ce que je fais. So in that case, the verb is terminé, futur antérieur, first person of the singular, j'aurai terminé. Same thing here by combining it with dans 5 minutes. Now it's like, it's for sure. There is no doubt about it. And the last one, j'aurai réussi à atteindre mon objectif dans 5 ans. J'aurai réussi à atteindre mon objectif dans 5 ans. In that situation, the verb is réussir, futur antérieur, first person of the singular, j'aurai réussi. And same thing here by combining this futur antérieur with dans 5 ans, it gives the person who hear that the certainty, the certainty that it will be done and it will be realized in the future in 5 years. Dans 5 minutes, j'aurai terminé ce que je fais. J'aurai réussi à atteindre mon objectif dans 5 ans.